there's one way to find the person that you're looking for. And a lot of people are struggling with dating because they're not putting out the right energy. How do you tap into this energy? Do you guys believe in some of this manifestation talk? Talk that you can design your life. Talk that you can design the person that you might end up being with. Do you guys believe in the spiritual world? Or are you just pure material? Do you believe that if you were genuinely looking for someone, you could actually find them? Where would you look for them? The more I've existed, the more I've realized that life isn't just all material. There is a spiritual underlying tone. There's another realm, and you can tap into that realm. And it applies to everything. It's even dating. Dating is very much about the energy that you give off. How do you come across to people? How do you come across to girls? Are you judged? So a lot of my life I've been judged a certain way. I look quite masculine, I'm quite built, so I'll be judged by people when they see me. They'll think a certain thing straight away. Girls will be like, oh, okay, this guy looks like some masculine big dude that hits the gym. Oh, he's probably whatever they might think that's associated with that, which is usually aggression, dominance, right? So the judgments that I did a video about the other day, they stand. You will be judged on the outset. But the spiritual realm is the second part of this, where you can put out a certain type of energy and a girl will start to like you because of that. All right, girls like money, girls like fame. I get it. I'm back in Miami. And of course I understand that girls like money and girls like fame. But you don't need to find that girl. You can find the girl that you're looking for. You just need to put the right energy out there and look in the right places. When you interact with these people, when I talk about energy, what I talk about is how your interaction goes. Doesn't matter what you say, doesn't matter what you talk about. It matters how you made her feel. It matters how she's left that interaction. What has helped me the most to make the most impact in terms of the interactions with women? I'm very real on my channel and I just literally talk from the heart. I don't try and sugarcoat anything. I don't give a shit. When I do MDMA, I'm especially soft and calm, and my energy is really calming and sexy. And I'm at my best and I'm smoothest when I'm in that position. I'm not sitting here advocating everyone to go and take drugs. I'm just saying I can tap into certain energies under certain substances and circumstances. So I remember my MDMA sessions and how I acted towards those girls and how they acted towards me, and remembered that I was really smooth and I put out a certain energy which was very loving. And here's the important part. I'm glad you stayed till this part of the video. Intensity. Intensity. The way you look at them needs to be intense. The way you act needs to be relatively intense at the beginning so that you are recognized and remembered, and so that you make an impact. Too many people are just all too normal and don't know how to interact with human beings. They've got no confidence. Most American guys I meet here, they don't even know how to talk to women. You don't have to talk to women. Get under their skin. Get deep with your conversations. Look intensely into their eyes when you're speaking to them. Don't be wobbling around and looking, think about how James Bond speaks to people, how he speaks to women. Looks intensely into their eyes and ask them direct questions, and is direct with them, and is masculine and is strong and is unfazed and is polite. That's how you have to act. You put the right energy out there, you're going to meet the right person. I'm going to be putting different type of energy out now at this point in my life because I've had a lot of fun with women, and I'm looking now more for a life partner, which is why I went to Romania for so long. As you can see, I'm in the beautiful Miami. This is my residence. This is where I live. I got a green card. I got an Alien of Extraordinary Ability green card 2 years ago. I'm very blessed to have done that. That was a lot of hard work. Let's not sidetrack. So that's why I went to Romania, to try and meet a life partner, a good woman that I could spend a bit more time with. I needed it to focus. I'm tired of kind of chasing different women. I have lots of wonderful women that surround me, but I'm kind of looking for that person I have a good connection with, I've got chemistry with, and I've got compatibility with. And if I put that energy out there, I will find that. And that's how I will move from now on. And so If you can tap into that realm and that energy and the intensity of you being the man that you are and be at peace, then you need to be in the right places and you'll meet the right type of women. And you'll know how to talk to them and it will just flow a lot smoothly. Okay? What's meant for you will come and you will get what you deserve.